All right, Dad, this is called Making Classic Preview Videos Upload. And there are two documents. One is called 5.2 Preview Video Classic Upload. We're going to open that. You want to click on Enable Editing. And then coming back to your email, and it says Unit 5 Video Upload. Now, you'll see these two assignments right there. One's a Word document, and one's an Adobe PDF document. You want to, on the Word document, you want to come up to the top and click on View and do the double page. That'll make it easier to work with. So click on the double page, it'll make it kind of small. And then on the Adobe, you want to bring this down to 25%. Again, you want it small. And there's a reason why. Okay, so the goal is this, is to take little pictures of this PDF page by page and paste it to this document. So this is, if you take a look here on the Adobe, I'm clicking on the Adobe, we're going to do this one together. It says Preview Video 5.2 Special Right Triangles. So the heading here should be 5.2 Classic Preview Video Upload. So that 5.2 should match 5.2. Notice I'm clicking back and forth between the Adobe and the Word. And so we're going to start, after these two sentences, we're going to start with what this page is on. And if you can see right here in the lower left, or see right up here, it's page number 4. So right up here, you can see that's page number 4. So to cut or to make a picture, you're going to do Shift Windows S all at the same time. Kind of click Shift Windows S, and then you click and drag, and now it's taking a picture of that. And we come here and we click on it. I'm going to keep it caps, page 4, and then do a Control V, paste it. Ta-da! That's page 4. I'm going to arrow to the right so it's on the right side. And then I go to the next page. And because I have the 2 pages, I can see 2 pages. I'm going to type page 5. Click on the Adobe, and I'm going to scroll to page 5. See the counter up there in the left? Again, I'm at 25%. And to take a picture, I do Shift Windows S. I drag and take a picture. Then I click on the Word icon. I move my cursor so it's just under the 5, Control V, paste, and move the toggle to the right. Enter, 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 next page. Scroll down so I can see the entire page. Page 6, enter. Click on the Adobe, I scroll, I see page 6. Again, that number right in the upper left here. And I can do Shift Windows S, drag, capture, click on the word, Control V, paste. Right arrow, enter, enter, enter. Page 7, enter, enter. Click on the Adobe, scrolling, Shift Windows S, drag, take a picture. Come back here, toggle to the word, Control V, paste. Click on the right, enter, enter, enter. Page 8. Scroll down so I can see the whole page. Click on the Adobe, scroll. We're looking now at page 8. The counter has changed to 8. Shift Windows S, drag, click on the word, Control V, arrow right, enter, enter, enter. Page 9, enter, enter. Go to the Adobe, scroll, it's page 9. To capture the page, I'm doing Shift Windows S, drag, capture the page, page 9. Click back on the word, Control V, right arrow, enter, enter, enter. Scroll a little bit, page 10, enter, enter. Alt Tab, Come down here, click on the Adobe, scroll, and you can see how the page changes to 10 right there where the highlighter is. Shift Windows S, drag, capture the page, go to the Word document, Control V, right, enter, enter, enter. Typing page 11, enter, enter. Come to the Adobe, scroll to page 11. Shift Windows S, drag the entire page, number 11. That automatically copies it. Come to the Word document under 11, Control V. Right arrow, enter, enter, enter.